Hello and welcome to tutorial number 7. We're going to continue looking at assignments. In tutorial 6, we learned how to create an assignment and send it to our students. In this tutorial, very quickly, we're going to learn how to check that assignment to see if our students have done it and how well they've done. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our teacher account. Here we are, Alberto Corazon. We're going to log in and we go into class 2A, the one that we created in previous tutorials. And as before, we've got class data, assignments, and materials here. So we're going to click on assignments. And remember, in the last tutorial, we created assignment 1. Okay. Now, straight away, I don't know if you can see this is small print here. We've got 2 of 4 students have completed it. And I can drill down now. I can open up and I can say, oh, look, Marta Sanchez, she's done it on time. Ricardo Garcia, on time. And I can see Eva Martinez is doing it at the moment, or she started it, but she hasn't finished yet. And Juan Fernandez hasn't even started yet. So I might like to give Juan a little reminder in the next lesson when I see him. So don't forget to do your homework. I can also see the results of Marta and Ricardo here. So I can click on Marta and click on Ricardo. So if I look at Marta, I can see that she got 1 gold medal, which means she scored over 75% or over 80% in the task. And here we go. In the first one, school subjects, her first score was 62%, and she's a good student because she tried it again and she went back and did it again until she could get her gold medal. The second one, she struggled a bit, 26%, and even on a second attempt, didn't make more than 68%. Same again with the third one, 38% for the first attempt and 63% for the second attempt. Okay, the best score here, the first score here. And because she's done 2 attempts, I know the best score would have been the second attempt. Ricardo did better. He got 2 gold stars, and we see 100% on his first score here. The second one, he got 79, so just below 80, and he only did 1 attempt, so he didn't do it again. And the third one, he got 88%. Now, what I can see, and particularly when I see the results of Eva and Juan, I can know that perhaps I need to go back in the classroom and talk to my students about exercise 2 and 3 and review some of the vocabulary or the things that they were looking at in these exercises. Okay, so very quickly we can see the individual scores and how our students have done, particularly if they've submitted it. Before the assignment has ended, we can see who started it and we can see who hasn't done it. Okay, so it's very, very easy to go back and have a look and see whether your students are doing the work once you've set an assignment. Okay, thank you for listening. See you in the next tutorial.